Alright, today's a nice day, so I'm going to take our LiftMate Glide200 out to Home Depot for some shopping. Today we're going to go for some gravels and stones. So I always like to strap the car, even it is empty, even with the brake on. So I always strap it, so that way when I'm driving, this car is not sliding, any way that I don't want. Lock the brake, let the car out, age, and put the brake on again. This time, we're not going to do any fast forwarding, so we can show the actual time for this car to, to extend or retract. So it takes about 35 seconds. See, I'm holding the handle with pressure, kind of help the car to be balanced, especially if the car is empty right now. So all the weight is, I'm just helping it. There we go. Then go ahead and lock the latch. Alright. There you go, ignore it. There's people, or our customer has been asking if we can do the spiral cable or remote control. The reason we're not doing that is really for not only for the cost, but also for the safety concern. See how I hold it? Now I'm always nearby, so if there's any off balance or any issues, I can then get my attention to the car right away. Alright, I'm ready to go. Let's head out for shopping. Alright, here we are. So let's take whatever we need. They're about 50 pounds each, I can see, so we can hold about 8 bags on this car. I think that's plenty for today, my job at the garden, so I'm going to go ahead. I don't feel like reaching in, so I'm just gonna leave it. See what happens. Alright, that'll be easier for me, so I don't have to do all this. Okay, that's 300 pounds already. Maybe 2 more bags of the larger one, the nicer one. I'm going to take some straps. I'm going to strap them, secure them a little bit for my transportation. On the newer version that you're gonna get, they're gonna be on the side, so it'll be easier to hook. This is our older version. See how and those of course come with the purchase. You got 3 of them in the cart. I think this should do it. Save this last one. All right. So there's a lot of weight on it. The car itself weighs about 200 pounds. Then we're adding about 400 pounds here. So it is about 600 pounds I'm pushing right now. And then it is definitely easier to push than pull. So I can put my weight on it. That's all right, so it's manageable. And then instead of pushing this way all the way to the parking lot, I'm gonna go ahead and go to the pro area where I can load it right by the gate, because I kind of want to show off our cart as well. See what the others have to say about it. Raise the car a little bit above the platform, so that way it's much easier to slide them over, but not by too much, of course. Here's pretty much good. Through this curve here. If I ever got stuck, it's okay too, because I can always leave the cart and then push it forward. Okay, right it, and we're good to go. Alright, here we are. Arrived, and everything's in place. I'm gonna unstrap that. As you can see, this house is still under construction, so it's a total remodeling project. It started about a year ago, and that's how we have the idea to develop this product. Now I cannot imagine if I have to go through all this loading and unloading without this LiftMate Glide200. So this really made a difference for our life in the construction. Again, we're talking about 400 pounds right here. Again, I would make the lift just a little bit above the platform, so it'll be easy for me to slide everything out. See how smooth that is. And always remember to unlock the brake, because sometimes happens and then you might break the wheel if the lock is still on. It's a heavy load. Alright, now I'm trying to push the car as close as to the job site possible, so I don't have to run back and forth. There we go. Alright, we have a step here, but let's see if I can do this with my lift and slide, okay? I haven't done this before, but I'm gonna give it a try. That way I can get it. Yeah, it works. Perfect. Let's work for me again. Alright, I like that. Solve the stepping issue as well. There we go. All the way to the job site. Follow me, guys. Alright, this is where I'm gonna lay some of the stones here. See, I can get it too close. As close as to the job site possible. It'll be a really easy project for me going afterward now. Alright, good day.